The more I study, the more I go through this journey of pastoring, I think there has to be a mix of experiencing God and knowing God. I want to be a balanced person. I want to be a person that knows what he's talking about, that knows the truth, but also experiences Christ in a way that is amazing in my life. My name is Juan Monsalve, and I'm here in freezing Chicago visiting Epic Church. I'm here to learn about Epic Church. I know it's a church plant for second generation, and I'm trying to find out if there's a place in the Adventist church for people like me, multicultural, come from different backgrounds. I'm trying to see what they're doing for discipleship and getting to know the community, helping their neighbors. So I'm excited to be here, and I'm here to learn. How I want to do my ministry is not just doing the same old, same old. I want the church to be a place where not just baptisms happen, but transformation happens. I want people to go into the community and actually help the people because they want to help them because they're human beings, not just because they want to get a baptism out of it. Hearing about Epic, it's a different type of church. I think maybe that's what they're doing or they're trying to do. It is a pleasure. Thank you for having us here, getting to know about Epic. So Andres, what makes Epic different?
Epic is a community of young adults that is on a search, on a quest to make disciples of the same age. It's not just fun, energetic, but it's also scriptural and highly spiritual. When you come to Epic, Jesus is going to be revealed to you. You are going to have a revelation of Jesus. There is no way you come here to visit us without seeing Jesus clearly and falling in love with him.
You have a very mixed culture here in Chicago. I'm pretty sure you have agnostics, people that from all different points of view. How are you guys attempting to reach them? I know relationships, but what other mediums other than technology? How are you guys being intentional about those type of people as well?
We let them know it's okay to have questions, and we let them know it's okay, and they are encouraged not just to ask questions, but they're encouraged to adopt. They can have questions, and they can really, when they come here, they are not forced into believing. Mm-hmm. Instead, they are invited into the story of the narratives that we preach about here.
Second generation people, that's one of the largest unchurched demographics in the U.S. Why do you think we're losing them so fast, and why do you think Epic is a special place where we can start reclaiming them?
I think we're losing them because there is an illustration to understand second generation people of any culture, and they say that they live in the hyphen. They are the hyphen between the first and the second generation. So really, being in the hyphen, it is overwhelming. So when it comes to spirituality, you can lose your spirituality by being the hyphen all the time, trying to bridge between the first and the second generation. So here in Epic, we don't ask them to be the hyphen for everything, except the hyphen, the bridge with their friends.
Why won't second generation feel comfortable at a Spanish church or at a regular Anglo church? Like we have now. Why do we have to create a new hybrid version of it?
I think that second generation people are extremely liquid or flexible. It is true, being the hyphen, they can feel is pretty overwhelming in a first generation church. They could stay there, but that doesn't necessarily mean they're going to grow or experience grow where they really want to be. So by being in a church that in a way is designed to minister to them in their own culture, they can use all of that energy that they were using to be in the hyphen. Now they can use all of that energy for ministry. And when they do that, they're free. They're just free to be themselves.
I'm curious now. Walk me through, what can I expect if I'm a first-time visitor at Epic? What can I expect when I walk in and then when I walk out?
Well, you're going to find several young people waiting for you. As you come, you're going to be very intentionally greeted. Mm-hmm. And you're going to be asked a series of questions just to know your journey, a little bit of your journey. And they are going to share their journey with you. And if you have questions, they're going to answer. If you don't have questions, if you just want to come into the auditorium, they're going to lead you, they're going to guide you.
Right now we're having, I guess this is community time, I get together time. Before they come in, they're all having, they come to hang out, pretty laid back. I've been talking to some of the people why they enjoy coming to Epic. I just finished talking with Natalie, and she was saying how the acceptance level, the focus on Jesus is pretty good. She enjoys the community that they have here and how they just actually feel a lot of the love that they're having. So right now it's breakfast is happening. The Sabbath schools are for kids are happening back there, and people are just hanging out, having a great old time, good old time. So this is pretty cool. Just seeing community people coming together and talking about what happened during the week and getting to know each other. So pretty cool to see this atmosphere of acceptance, love, and a warmth that is happening here. So. Can I talk to you guys a little bit about Epic? Why did you guys come to Epic,
I love the community in Epic. I've been with them from the beginning. We built really a family here. It's always fun. We always have certain creativity.
Yes.
We found a lot of people that are so different. And somehow we fit together here.
Can I ask you, were you guys Adventists before when this happened, or are you guys Adventists, or?
I grew up Adventist. I left the church. And then I came back, but I didn't feel like I fit in, and then I got involved with Epic. It makes me realize that this is what church is about. It's about community, church is about family, it's about being completely different, coming from different backgrounds, but making it work, making it all fit together.
What's so great is that we have church in places where you don't think church is. And that's kind of where we tell people, church is not a building. Church is us.
All right, it's going to be loud, worshipful, and hey, Rosie, come here.
Yes.
It's going to be good.
It's going to be great.
It's going to be awesome. So
Epic.
You cannot miss it.
How you guys doing this morning? Good, bad, maybe?
Should have on your radar. First of all, we do something here called surge groups. And surge groups are basically our way of doing spiritual journeying together. So a surge group is an afternoon. We do it on Saturday afternoons after church. We potluck together in someone's home and we explore the scriptures, we share our prayer requests together, and we share our lives together.
But he also wants to offer you more than that. Because when the problem is gone, when the problem is solved, let me assure you that another problem will come your way. Jesus wants to offer you more than that, way more than just being a consumer, where it's all about us.
Choose my husband.
Okay. She's with us now. Yeah. Okay. I thought it
All right. You nervous, Winfrey?
Yeah, not really a hugger, but let's go. Yes, I'm going to hug with you guys.
All right, so point at them, make eye contact, and I say, do you want a free hug?
Thanks, girlie.
All right.
Oh, we're gonna make a right here. There we go. Yes, one for. You have 7 hugs.
I'm going down the line, man.
Yes. Go down the line.
Happy Saturday. Thank you guys. Feel the love. Spread the joy. Bye guys.
Morning is, what am I supposed to wear? I think the church we've done this, but today I saw people dressed from they're going to meet the president to regular clothes, a regular day.
Well, I think that has to do with our core value of acceptance. And we receive people are there as they are, but sometimes they are very formal, sometimes they are more relaxed, and we just let them come as they are to experience Jesus in a way that they will feel comfortable. I think when you accept people and you let them feel comfortable, you are letting the Holy Spirit an opportunity to make them uncomfortable with the message of Jesus, to make them feel like they need to change. But for that, they need to feel welcome first.
I think a lot of people know you guys as a second generation type of church, but English is the main language spoken everywhere. Is that very intentional, that there will be no Spanish or other languages coming about?
We don't really plan for people not to speak in any language, but they just speak in English because it's the primary language that connects us all. What we are very intentional is about not making feel anybody left out.
How is this free hug, not program, but experience, helping you guys in the community and within yourselves?
People in the community are beginning to feel that we are a weekly fixture. They have created hashtags and Facebook posts. I'm talking about non-Adventists that are walking on the streets, taking pictures of the Epic guys doing free hugs and celebrating birthdays and embracing people as they're walking towards us. And what is happening is we're establishing a presence of love and acceptance and truth and basically human touch.
What are some of the ways that you have seen transformation happen in the lives of the people that are coming to Epic?
Ex-cage fighter, he's not beating people at a cage, now he's opening the door for visitors. He's not even baptized. Ex-gangbanger, now he's helping, setting up in church. Atheists, agnostics, now they are contemplating the possibility that there is a higher spirituality in Jesus. People with very different lifestyles than the regular Seventh-day Adventists now are questioning whether or not that's where they really are. And they're looking for deeper answers about their identity.